Alright guys, so I'm using the strip chalk and I'm gonna just make me a gasket here guys. And I believe this gasket should work just as good as the one that's ripped up there. We will see. But I think they sell them in bigger strips than this. But I don't have any more. So I'm gonna have to go to the parts store and buy some more. But for right now, I am just doubling this up, guys. And putting it on here. So I'm rolling two of them together. And then I'm folding them up to make this thicker, guys. Yeah. Just folding this up. Making this thicker. Pinch the lips together, the ends where it's I ain't gonna have enough to do this, so hopefully the local parts store have some more. I'll check tomorrow or the next couple of days and see what's going on, but yeah, I'm not gonna have enough to do this, guys. Take a little paper off of there. Alright guys, that's all I got. I gotta get some more. Had this for a lot of years, 20 yards, 60 feet. Had it for a lot of years, guys. Finally used it all. Alright. Alright guys, so I got that started on there. Come in and get this pretty much tightened up. Now, a lot of this excess black, I'm gonna take a lot of that excess black off of there eventually. But yeah, just coming in trying to get this started and done up here, guys. All right. Alright guys, so just want to come and show you how those pieces look, all polished up. So now I'm gonna just come in and clear these pieces up, guys. Alright guys, so some of these areas you can't get in there with the big wire wheel there, so I'm gonna come in with wire wheel on the angle grinder, and it'll do the same thing, guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to do all these lines the same way. I'm going to just get them all polished up here. Alright, so this got numbers and letters, part numbers on it. Alright, I'm going to come in and start polishing this up. Let me come in and show you the difference here in the polished and the unpolished, guys. Alright, so I'm going to finish this on up, get this polished off. It's just a big difference there, guys. Alright. piece is really looking good there. Alright, that old polish is smelling pretty good. But alright guys, so that's how that piece come out. I got a little bit more to do in these areas, but I'm going to come in with the handheld and get this finished up here. Alright, so with it in the vise here, I got my face mask on, guys, the whole time I've been using this. Alright guys, so all I'm using is a lacquer. It's a clear, spray can clear, guys. I'm not gonna use the expensive clear that I use to paint the cars on this. Try not to get no runs, guys. Just come in, clear this up. I'll put about 2-3 coats on here. So I'll let that sit and come through and look like I missed spot right there and right there, but it's what you're doing when you're trying to tape and rush. Alright guys, so I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna put a couple more coats of clear on here, guys. Alright guys, so also I want to get this polished out too, so I'm just spraying a little wax and grease remover on there, and I'm just coming through trying to get this off of here. trying to get it off, guys. Alright, see that wax and grease remover? It's going to remove all of this off of here. I can come in and get this, I want to polish this out too, guys, so. Alright guys, so that's how those pieces look after buffing them out with the wire wheel, and then coming in with the just cheap clearing them out, guys. So looks pretty nice there, guys. So alright, now I just gotta, I think I'm gonna have to replace some pieces here, and I'll get off into that later. Alright guys, thanks. All things Buick, like, share, subscribe. Alright, thanks for tuning in.